Ram just unleashed the 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee SR, a bold new family of high-performance street trucks that revives the spirit of classic American muscle pickups. Reviving the legendary Rumblebee name, this aggressive lineup brings massive power, wide-body styling, and drag strip attitude to the half-ton segment. Offered in multiple V8-powered variants, the Rumblebee SR Street Racer focuses on pavement performance while retaining impressive towing capability. The 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee lineup offers 3 potent V8s. The base model features a 5.7-liter HEMI V8 producing 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. Stepping up, the Rumblebee 392 packs a 6.4-liter Apache HEMI V8 delivering 470 horsepower and 455 pound-feet. At the top sits the ferocious Rumblebee SRT with a supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat HEMI V8 generating a staggering 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet. All models use an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time all-wheel drive with a rear-wheel drive disconnect mode for burnouts. The SRT variant rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds, runs the quarter mile in 11.6 seconds at 116 miles per hour, and targets a top speed of 170 miles per hour, making it the quickest and fastest V8-powered production pickup ever. Despite the extreme performance, the Rumblebee SR can still tow up to 8,890 pounds. The Rumblebee SR adopts a dramatic, lowered stance with exclusive wide-body fenders that make the truck significantly wider and more aggressive. It is offered exclusively in a quad-cab short bed configuration with a shortened wheelbase for sharper handling and muscular proportions. Signature details include a performance hood with functional vents, a bold front fascia, massive 22-inch wheels wrapped in wide 325-section tires, red brake calipers, and prominent Rumblebee graphics. The SRT model adds unique aerodynamic elements, a large rear spoiler, and quad exhaust tips. Lowered suspension gives it a purposeful, planted look that screams street performance while maintaining Ram's tough truck DNA. Available in striking colors with blacked-out accents, the Rumblebee SR turns heads whether parked or launching hard. Inside, the Rumblebee SR blends performance flair with everyday usability. The cabin features sport-tuned seats with Rumblebee embroidery, a flat-bottom steering wheel with red accents, aluminum paddle shifters, and unique gauge graphics. Higher trims add premium materials, a Harman Kardon audio system, and modern tech including a large touchscreen with the latest Uconnect system. Despite its street racer focus, the quad cab layout provides usable rear seating and a functional bed. Thoughtful details like red stitching, carbon fiber-style trim, and illuminated sill plates enhance the sporty atmosphere without sacrificing comfort for daily driving. Pricing has not been officially released, but expectations place the base Rumblebee around $60,000 to $65,000, with the 392 models in the mid-$80,000 and the top SRT variant likely exceeding $100,000.